On the weekly chart, we're going to be looking at UNH, that's United Health. You can see that we've had a pretty large red candle coming in at last week, basically a low to high in here of those 340s down here to the 331 area. So basically a $15 move, kind of low to high in here for this past week. So we're sitting at 331.02 right now. Where does it kind of put us here as far as our supports and our resistances? Well, first up is going to be this blue line right here. That's currently trading at 334.50. Above there, you're looking at that psych level of 340. And then you're looking right here at these 342 areas. Now to the downside in here, we're going to be watching this 327 area, and then we're going to be looking down here at the 316s for our next two major supports. Now our IV in here is pretty high compared to itself. That's just because of that big drop that we had last Friday. So some juice kicked into our options overall, about a $9 expected move priced in by this Friday. And everything's forward looking into not this coming week, but the following week, because that's where our earnings report is going to be located. So January 27th, pre-market, UNH is going to report earnings in here. So this week is going to be a nice setup week as we're focusing in on those earnings coming in January 27th pre-market. But that earnings, that expiration cycle that's containing our earnings, that expiration date is pricing in right around a $22 expected move. If you go all the way out to February, it looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $30 expected move. So we'll see what happens in here on the shortened week for UNH. 334 first resistance, 340 the following. To the downside, we're looking at 327, and then we're looking at 316. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.